Next topic is measuring temperature. You have seen that solid, liquid and gas expand on heating. The hotness of an object is the more it expands. Therefore, one of the way of measuring temperature is to measure the expansion of solid, liquid or gas. Okay, so the heating effect of matter and the temperature of matter, okay, both are correlated to each other. We know that when you heat solid, liquid or gas, they expand on heating. It means that hotter the object, higher the expand. Okay, it means that the hotter an object is, the more it expand. Therefore, one of the way of measuring temperature is to measure the expansion of solid, liquid and gas. However, solid expand very little, while in gaseous the expansion is very high due to the space between the molecules of solid, liquid and gas. The expansion level is differentiate from each three state of matter. Okay. The instrument used to measure temperature is called thermometer. So thermometer is an instrument which is used to measure temperature. Okay. The principle used in thermometers is the same as that of the apparatus used to observe expansion in liquid. Okay. See, there are so many thermometers are there used in a different sectors. First of all, let us talk about the laboratory thermometer. The thermometers available in the laboratory consist of a long, thin, uniform glass tube sealed at one end with a bulb filled with a liquid at other end. Okay, so the construction of laboratory thermometer is as follow. It is long, thin, it consists of uniform glass tube sealed at one end with a bulb filled with a liquid at other end. I want to tell you the liquid filled in the other end is mercury, okay, which expand on heating. The most commonly used liquid is mercury. A shiny thread of mercury can be seen from outside the thermometer. As the temperature rises, the mercury in the bulb expands and rises into the thin tube called stem of the thermometer. Okay. As the temperature rises, the mercury expansion level increases and the mercury in the bulb expand and rise into the thin tube which is called stem of thermometer. The stem of is marked in degree Celsius or degree Fahrenheit. The height of the liquid in the stem gives the reading of temperature. Laboratory thermometers with various ranges are available. The commonly used laboratory thermometers have a range from -10 degrees Celsius to 110 degrees Celsius. And the bigger marks normally read 1 degree Celsius. If there are 5 divisions between the bigger marks, each small divisions reads 1/5 of a degree or 0.2 degree Celsius. while the measuring temperature with a laboratory thermometer, the following precautions should be observed. The thermometer should be washed before and after use. The thermometer is delicate and should be handled with care to avoid breakage. So there are some precautions we need to take while using laboratory thermometer. Okay, first one is it should be washed before and after use. Second, it is delicate and should be handled with care to avoid breakage. It should not be held by the bulb while reading the temperature. It should be kept upright, not tilted. We should keep it upright, not tilted. The bulb should be completely surrounded by the substance whose temperature is being measured. Okay, and whose temperature is being measured, and the bulb should not touch the side of container. Okay, we need to keep in mind these all precautions. Okay, last precaution is while reading the thermometer, the level of mercury should be at the same level as the eye. Okay, please see figure 5.9 how measuring temperature of hot water with a laboratory thermometer done. Okay, now after laboratory thermometer, the last thermometer is the clinical thermometer. To check the body temperature, a thermometer is placed in your mouth or in your armpit. The temperature recorded in laboratory thermometers will fall as soon as it can taken out your mouth. To get a correct reading, therefore a clinical thermometer is used. For body temperature, for measuring body temperature, we use reading thermometer. Okay, please see the structure of clinical thermometer. This is clinical thermometer. Okay, so the range of clinical thermometer is from 35 degrees Celsius to 42 degrees Celsius. In Fahrenheit clinical thermometer, which is commonly used, having the temperature range is from 94 degree Fahrenheit to 108 degree Fahrenheit. The normal body temperature of a healthy person is 30 degrees Celsius or 98.6 degrees Celsius. It goes up if person has fever. Okay, so this is all about heat and its effect. I hope you understand this chapter. Please read twice, make notes. Thank you.